Have you ever pondered what the future of programming might look like? In our digital age, programming is as integral as the air we breathe, shaping everything from our daily routines to the world's biggest innovations. It's like a universal language, constantly evolving and adapting. Naturally, we're curious about its future. How will it transform? What new languages, tools, or paradigms will emerge? So, journey with us as we traverse time to explore the evolution of programming and dare to envision its potential future. To appreciate the future, we must first understand the past. Our journey begins in the 1940s with the inception of binary language. This was a time when programming was a painstaking process of setting ones and zeros. Then came the 1950s, a breakthrough era as assembly language was born, making coding a bit more human-friendly. But it didn't stop there. The late 1950s gave us high-level languages like Fortran and COBOL, transforming the landscape of programming. As we moved into the 1980s, the programming world witnessed the boom of object-oriented languages. C++ and Java became the new buzzwords, revolutionizing the way we approached problem-solving in code. As the turn of the century approached, we saw the rise of web development languages. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript emerged, powering the internet and creating a whole new realm of possibilities. And that brings us to our current digital era, awash with a myriad of programming languages catering to diverse needs. Today, programming stands as a vibrant, dynamic field, ever evolving to meet the demands of an increasingly digital world. From data science to web development, the landscape of programming is as diverse as it is expansive. Python, with its simplicity and versatility, has become the go-to language for data manipulation and machine learning. On the other side of the spectrum, JavaScript continues to dominate the web development scene, powering the interactive elements of most websites we visit daily. Mobile app development, too, has seen significant growth, with languages like Swift and Kotlin leading the charge in creating engaging, user-friendly applications. And let's not forget the role of coding bootcamps and online learning platforms. These have been instrumental in democratizing access to programming knowledge, allowing anyone with an internet connection to learn, grow, and potentially change their career trajectory. Yet, as we stand on the brink of a new era, one can't help but wonder, what lies ahead for programming? As we gaze into the crystal ball, the future of programming bristles with endless possibilities. Let's journey together into this fascinating world yet to unfold. One of the biggest trends we're likely to see is the rise of AI-driven coding. We're already witnessing artificial intelligence making a significant impact in various fields, and programming is no exception. Imagine a world where your coding assistant is an AI, capable of debugging, optimizing code, and even writing pieces of code on its own. It's not a distant dream, but a reality that's fast approaching. Then there's the matter of cybersecurity. As our world becomes more interconnected, the importance of securing our digital assets becomes paramount. Programming for cybersecurity is set to become a major focus, with languages and tools being developed specifically to combat cyber threats. Next in line is the growth of quantum computing. This technology could revolutionize the way we solve complex problems, making tasks that are currently impossible for classical computers a walk in the park. The programming languages of the future will need to adapt to this new paradigm, bringing an entirely new set of challenges and opportunities. Finally, we can expect programming languages to become more user-friendly and intuitive. The goal is to make programming more accessible, allowing more people to bring their creative ideas to life. This democratization of programming could lead to a surge in innovation and creativity, the likes of which we've never seen before. But it's not all smooth sailing. With these advancements come potential challenges and ethical considerations. How much control should an AI have over coding? What are the security implications of quantum computing? And how do we ensure that the democratization of programming doesn't lead to a surge in malicious code? While the future of programming may seem like uncharted territory, it's clear that it holds a world of promise and potential challenges that we must prepare to navigate. The future of programming, like any journey into the unknown, is both thrilling and daunting. We've traversed the past, understanding how it has shaped the present. We've explored the evolving landscape of today's programming world, And we've dared to imagine what the future holds. A world of quantum computing, AI integration, and coding becoming a universal language. So as we peer into the future of programming, one thing remains certain: our journey is just beginning.